Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is a whole house clean with me minus my toddler's room, because Jared actually ended up cleaning that room for me without telling me, which was super sweet because it was a complete wreck. So first we're going to start in our bedroom, and I'm just going to make the bed up. As you can see, it's a little bit of a struggle because we have that playpen right there, and our bedroom is really small, so we don't have like a lot of room to move the bed over to where I can actually walk right there and make the bed that way. So I just kind of have to climb over the bed and do it like that. And then I'm going to do some dusting in the bedroom as well. Thing I'm going to do is tackle this load of laundry. I'm trying to get where I do a load of laundry a day, and I've heard, one load of laundry a day keeps the laundry away. Well, that's not always true because I always forget when it's in the washing machine. But I did not forget this load, so we're just going to get this all folded and put up, which I did not film me putting up the laundry because Jared did most of the putting up.
Everything's alright, let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever.
We're just going to clean off the nightstand beside the bed. As you can see, I still have my Christmas flowers up over here, so I finally changed those out for some regular roses. They are fake, but they are cute.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright.
Then we're going to head into the kitchen, and I have to put up all of the medicine that we had out for the day. Our boys are still sick. It has been well over a month, and it's driving me crazy, but I just don't know what to do anymore. We have to keep giving them Benadryl and Claritin and pain medicine until it goes away, because apparently it's just a viral infection.
You in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
Then we're just gonna get these dishes done and out of the way.
Wanna be with, 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 wanna. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you make me feel. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would've believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would've believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love.
So I actually left these carrots that was on the table and on Oliver's high chair for a day or two, so they're all dried on there. So it was actually really hard to get this high chair clean.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you.
It is a never-ending chore of cleaning up toys every single day, because they just bring, instead of Parker staying in his room with his toys, he loves to bring them out in here and play with them, and then play with Ollie as well. So I love it and I hate it at the same time.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Now we're going to get some much needed dusting done in the bathroom. I did not do the floors in the bathroom this night because I had done them like a day or so ago, so I did not do that in this video.
Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
So the reason I'm holding my phone now instead of it being on the tripod is my tripod does not want to hold my phone anymore. It keeps making it fall, and I don't want it to bust my screen, so I decided just to hold it for the remainder of this video.
Talk a little deeper,
That's actually going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.